Hello people, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoy my content. Subscribe. Always please guys, smash that like button. It just helps with the algorithm. But I just wanted to show you yesterday's attack between a Jaguar and a Ranger. uh, the Ranger won the battle, but we've got some claw marks. That's about the only damage caused that I can see. The number plate is not bad. No other damage to the bumper. So the Ranger didn't come off too bad. It did clip out here. I think maybe one of the clips broke inside there, but we'll get it cleaned and inspect it a bit better. So I think the Jag clawed the Ranger, but came off second best.
So we tried to attempt to take off everything from on top. All these. All on the roof.
Yeah, nice.
Let's hope this. It's not move. How much are they of those? Guys, this thing is moving. And we found a whole door.
The fucking walls.
Oh, a wall. Shit.
What's it? What's it? Foot there, okay.
This. Yo.
I need rest. Wait now. This way.
Yeah, go. Take
Must
it.
I move the car?
Take it out.
Okay, take it out. It's very much.
Ay, yellow, latikla.
Okay, good. Okay.
Wood. It's such a beautiful rainy day, guys. Beautiful.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
So we found some nice metal plates and some other metals and some ladders, and we can whoop, see the top of the roof already. All this is gone. We're making some nice progress. The nail is looking cute as ever.
Oh my god.
And we've got some loads here. Look at this. I don't know what the fuck this is, but that was quite a challenge to get that floor thing out. And then we've got another load full of wood. So I think we'll call that a day. We can now have one big open garage. We can get to the roof. There's still a couple of things we need to get off of here. Not sure. I don't know how we're gonna get these off, but we'll get to them. keep tuned. Oh guys, subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll keep you updated on the Jag. We are having issues with this little move here. We've replaced it. We've at least found some spares in the house, but now I need to assemble everything back and connect all those things and turn and get all these spares back. So guys, I've managed to assemble everything. Took out all that spares. I still need to wash her, but everything is assembled. There's a bit of damage to the dash there. The clocks are straight. I don't know really where to shove that in. It looks a bit horrified, but at least my feet are now free of wires and we can start going. However, with this new ignition, if I turn it, I can get the lights on, but I can't turn it further to engage the starter motor. So I'm just going to run a jipper wire for now and see if I can get the starter motor to turn. So haven't had a wash in 20 something years, so let's get her clean and then I'll show you some more. So after a quick wash, this one came out. We managed to push it back in, but it came out. The fender, this bumper is very pitted. It might need to be re-chromed. We'll see. We need a new indicator lens. We've got a bit of damage here. That's all smooth. There's a bit of a damage there. All else is pretty smooth. That indicator is fine. There's a bit of a bump there. I didn't clean at the bottom here, but that is what it looks like. The rest of the bonnet, it came out clean, but there's no more paint there. I would recommend it needs a respray. There's no cracks on the window, but this piece here is a bit loose. Maybe it needs a new rubber, like maybe definitely new wiper blades. We also noticed here is a bit loose, and this thing is, the sprayer is pointing the wrong way. Then on the door, that will come out with a respray. There's a bit of a dent here. We found this piece that needs to be screwed down. 3 screws there, and then let's put the flash on. There's no rubber carpet, and then the wiring mess, which I'm not sure where it goes, and all these funny buttons, I'm not sure. I still have to clean the dash, but the surface is fine. All the woodwork is fine. The buttons all work. We've mounted that. She still doesn't start. The radio works, but I disconnected the battery. Sorry guys. So we'll clean the inside just now. I'm just showing a quick update. Oh, these things, they're a little bit loose, but they still look very much intact. All very much intact. The rubbers on the door is still well. Remember, that piece is loose. And there she's closed. Look how easy that closed. If we go to the back door, again some putting. The chrome doesn't look too bad. I'm sure I'll get that cleaned up. It's got all the interior linings. I'll still clean that properly. It's got the little light fitting there. The top roof liner needs to be done. It all looks like that. So the window sills is good. This thing is a bit bent, but it doesn't look too bad. The seat is dirty, but it doesn't look bad. I can't get that part out. We'll still clean it and touch every side, but that's how easy the door closes. No, it didn't close. There we go, closed. We found a little mat for the front and the boot. The carpet is not so good. If we lift the carpet, I see there's no spare wheel. It looks like the original color of the car was maroon. And then there's the fuel pumps I need to look at and service and get going. If I close the boot, you can see a little bit rust, but it all lines up nicely. The back window doesn't have that chrome strip. All the lights are intact. The back bumper's chrome doesn't look bad. This thing is loose. Little light. I didn't clean down there. And if I go this side, it's missing that cover for the fuel tank. We want to put all rims looking like this. Here, if I go to this door, everything seems to be there. We've got the nice trimming with that light and the trimming. I still can't open the seat. It closed quite easily. And lastly, the front door, I see here's a piece of rubber missing. Remember, I must still clean it. That carpet and behind the car, I think fits here. It's got the little mirror. There's a badge for the grill, I think. There's a button for somewhere, I'm not sure. There's a scrapping paper for the car. And I think that is it. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. So we're going to continue cleaning, that wheel needs to change with a hubcap that small like that. That hubcap don't fit. That light there is different than that light there. I'm gonna look for one that fits. This room needs to change, but at least it's got a hubcap. And then that room, we found a hubcap for it. So the back two rooms are the same. We'll still find the front two rooms. So guys, That's my Jag. In the Jag. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I hope you really enjoy it. If you want anything changes or any different content, criticism is always a good thing. Please guys, don't be scared to criticize, but please subscribe, smash the like button, and we'll see you next time.